Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of smartphones with an in-depth review of the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra. Get ready to discover the latest innovations from Huawei and find out if this phone is worth your hard-earned cash. Let's start with the display. The Huawei Pura 70 Ultra features a stunning 6.80-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1260 by 2844 pixels. From streaming your favorite movies to gaming on the go, every detail comes to life with vibrant colors and sharp clarity. Whether you're scrolling through social media or editing photos, you'll love the immersive viewing experience this display provides. Now, let's talk about the camera. Huawei has pulled out all the stops with the Pura 70 Ultra, equipping it with a powerful camera setup. On the front, you'll find a 13-megapixel selfie camera that captures stunning self-portraits and video calls with crystal-clear quality. But the real magic happens on the back, where you'll find a triple camera setup consisting of a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 40-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and another 50-megapixel telephoto camera. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or zooming in on distant subjects, this camera setup delivers stunning results every time. When it comes to performance, the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra doesn't disappoint. With 16GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage, you'll have plenty of power and space to multitask with ease. From running multiple apps simultaneously to storing your entire media library, this phone can handle whatever you throw at it. Plus, with Huawei's HarmonyOS 4.2, you'll enjoy a smooth and intuitive user experience that's optimized for efficiency and performance. Now, let's talk about battery life. The Huawei Pura 70 Ultra is equipped with a hefty 4,815 mAh battery that keeps you powered up throughout the day. Whether you're streaming videos, playing games, or browsing the web, you can count on this phone to keep up with your busy lifestyle. Plus, with support for fast charging, you can top up your battery in no time and get back to what you love without missing a beat. Last but not least, let's take a look at the design. The Huawei Pura 70 Ultra sports a sleek and stylish design that's sure to turn heads wherever you go. With its slim profile and premium materials, it feels great in the hand and exudes sophistication. Plus, with a range of stunning color options to choose from, you can pick the perfect hue to match your personal style. In conclusion, the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra is a powerhouse smartphone that ticks all the right boxes. From its stunning display and powerful camera to its impressive performance and long-lasting battery life, it's clear that Huawei has pulled out all the stops with this device. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a power user, or someone who simply appreciates premium design and craftsmanship, the Pura 70 Ultra has something for everyone. And that wraps up our review of the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra. What are your thoughts on this impressive smartphone? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and smartphone coverage. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for more content coming your way.